Okay, so we're going to get started on the foundation double crochet stitch. This is Premier Everyday Anti-Pilling yarn. This is a worsted weight 4, 203 yards, 186 meters, 4 ounces, or 113 grams. Calls for an eye hook, and I do have one of those right here, and the color is baby blue. So if you've never done the foundation double crochet stitch, it's very easy. I'll show you how I do it. Make a slip knot. And then we need to chain 2. And this will be the starting of our row, but this is not the stitch. This is like our setup. So we have the chain 2. We're going to yarn over, go into that first chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, and only go through 1 loops on your hook. Okay, now we're going to finish it like a double crochet. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now this is the only part that is a little weird. So you will yarn over, and now to do the next stitch, you want to look at the bottom of your stitch here that you just created. You want to go into both of those legs of the end of that stitch that you just created. Pull up your loop. Now you have the 3. Yarn over and go through just 1. Now every single time, that's going to be what you go into for the next stitch. To finish the stitch, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Do that again. Turn your work a bit, see the 2 legs of the stitch, go into both of them, yarn over, bring up your loop, yarn over, go through 1. That's creating your next set of legs for the next stitch. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now we have 3. We have our chain 2, but that doesn't count. We just have 3 so far. Yarn over, make sure you're going through both of those legs of the stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. You can always think of that first one as setting up for the next stitch. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And you just do that as many stitches as whatever pattern you are doing calls for. And if you're going to join in the round at the end, just make sure that you're not twisted. And it does help to work these just a little bit more loosely than you normally would, so that it's easier for you to get into this first set of legs of the stitch. And after a while, you've done a few and you're like, well, this isn't hard at all. Because it's not. It's just new. Everything is hard until it's easy, right? And there you got foundation double crochet.